What can I say? Mount Nimrod, a little gem of a campsite, kind of between, close to Timaru basically. It's in the foothills of the Hunter Mountains. Absolutely gorgeous, well worth the stay, not too expensive. You can have a fire, there's toilets, it's awesome. Bird life is great. You wake up in the mornings and yeah, it's just bird song everywhere.
My name is Marcus Wyatt. Join me as I share my passion for four-wheel drives and travelling to the remotest parts of New Zealand. If you enjoy these videos, please support me by buying me a coffee on Patreon. Join the Explore Track New Zealand team now. There are 10 basic campsites with fireplaces, toilets and running water. Cost is $10 per person for an adult and $4 per person for a child 5 to 17. You can pay cash when you arrive at the self-service stand at the campsite. Alternatively, you could always use the dock campsite pass. Nothing like a good cup of coffee in the morning. Probably time for me to feed the troops before we take on the 3.5 kilometer forest walk. The Hunter Hills Conservation Area was recognized as important for birdlife as early as 1891. In 1897, the bush was reported to be thick and almost impenetrable. However, burning, logging and stock grazing has changed the original forest cover. In 1932, the area was gazetted as a scenic reserve. The track has great views and a waterfall that plummets through the track arch. From the campground, take the bridge across the Nimrod stream, where the loop track takes you on an anti-clockwise circuit of the reserve.
Mount Nimrod campsite. Quite a lovely little spot, beautiful bird songs, and well worth the visit. You camp right next to the stream, so when you sleep, you've got this beautiful rumble of the stream next to you. Makes for a fantastic sleep. Bird song, man, if you love waking up to bird song, this place is phenomenal. Beautiful bird song. Had a lovely time this morning. All in all, great for a single stay. The walk, although steep, is very, very nice. Beautiful scenery. Yeah, all in all, great place to visit.